My dearest friends from all over the world, how are you? Today we are going to talk about how to make a conversation with strangers, with tourists, with foreigners. First, you have to remind yourself to use formal language. Formal language with people who don't know, and it's first time to meet them. So I have to show them a kind of respect, politeness in talking, in making questions with them. I imagine that I meet a tourist and I make a conversation with him, uh, and uh, now imagine now I am at the pyramids and there is many tourists. I choose someone and I want to make a conversation with him. I wanted to know his name, his nationality, his job, his opinion about Egypt, about our civilization, about the pyramids, about Sphinx, about and so on. So I can say, hi, hello. You see, he will stop and I'll start a conversation with him. We can use excuse me to stop him. We can use please as a kind of politeness. First, I can ask him, what's your name? He will say, Jack. And he will say, Jack, and you. Not he will ask me, what's your name? What's your name? The same question. No, we can use and you. When we answer, we can say and you, and you. I can ask him, where do you come from? Where do you come from? He will say, I come from England. And you? I'm Egyptian. Welcome to Egypt. You know, Egypt people or Egyptian people are so kind. Do you have the same opinion? We'll say, yeah, they are very kind. I asked him, where do you come from? You don't have to ask him what's your nationality. You know the nationality from the first question. Where do you come from? I come from England. So he is English. His nationality is English. Where do you come from? I come from France. So his nationality is French. Where do you come from? I come from Japan. So his nationality is Japanese. You can ask him, how long will you stay in Egypt? Or is it your first visit to Egypt? Is it your first time to come to Egypt? His answer, yeah, but I'll come again and again because I enjoy your landmarks and the weather is here fine. And he can answer, no, it is the second time to come here, the third, the fourth. How long will you stay? He will say, I will stay for tonight. I will stay 2 weeks, the same. 14 days, the same. Do you enjoy your stay here? Yeah. You can talk now about your country. You can talk about your country. Your Egyptian people are proud of their civilization. You can say Egypt has a great civilizations. We have many landmarks, monuments, and temples. You can enjoy going to Khan Khalili, to Hussein to buy souvenirs. You can enjoy going to the Red Sea, Sharm, Hurghada to enjoy diving, and so on. Talk about your country. You meet a tourist and he will be very happy to talk about Egyptian people. And also you can ask him about his country. What about your country? What is the famous places there? And so on. Questions after questions, and you will be friends. Forget grammar rules, forget restrictions, but remember carefully politeness, to show your respect, to show your kindness, as he is a foreigner. He is at your home. You have to welcome him carefully, to give him great expressions and great feelings about kindness of Egyptian people. Let's see some pictures which help you to know more and more. Come with me. As you see, how to make a conversation with a foreigner. These are my pictures with tourists or foreigners whom I met at the pyramids or at book fair or at museums or at Khan Khalili. Uh, Tourists, foreigners, strangers whom you meet at first time, whom you meet for the first time. We have to use formal language as I said. You can say hi with formal and informal, but we can start with hello. How do you do? Nice to meet you. Where do you come from? France. Oh, you are French. French people are so kind. Is it your first visit to Egypt? Yeah, but I'll come again. Or, no, it's my second time to visit Egypt. Or, it's my second visit to Egypt. How long will you stay? Fortnight, 14 days, 2 weeks. The same meaning. Did you enjoy the weather? Sure. It's sunny, it's enjoyable, it's fine. You know, Egypt has a great civilization, and ancient Egyptian built the pyramids as tombs. As you know, ancient Egyptian believed in next world. What's your opinion about Egyptian people? They are very kind and friendly. Can we take a selfie? With pleasure. Welcome again to Egypt. See you soon. Bye. So, I have to remind myself and